ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, videos have taken the internet by storm, offering viewers a calming and tingly sensation through various auditory triggers. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to create your own relaxing ASMR videos, perfect for helping others unwind and de-stress. Choose your ASMR triggers. Select triggers that are known to be effective in producing ASMR, such as whispering, tapping, crinkling, or brushing sounds. Test different triggers to see which ones resonate best with your audience. Invest in quality audio equipment. Purchase a high-quality microphone, such as a binaural or stereo mic, to capture crisp, immersive sound. Ensure your recording environment is quiet and free from background noise to maintain sound purity. Create a comfortable filming environment. Set up a cozy, relaxing space with soft lighting and minimal distractions. Consider using a neutral background to keep the focus on the sounds. Plan your content. Script or outline your video to ensure a smooth flow of sounds and visuals. Experiment with different sound patterns and rhythms to create a soothing experience. Recording the ASMR video. Position the microphone close to the sound source to capture detailed audio. Speak or create sounds slowly and deliberately, allowing your audience to fully absorb each trigger. Editing your ASMR video. Use audio editing software to enhance the sound quality, reduce background noise, and adjust volume levels. Add visual elements like slow, gentle movements or calming visuals to complement the audio. Uploading and sharing. Export your video in high resolution and upload it to YouTube or other platforms. Optimize your video title, description, and tags with ASMR-related keywords to reach a broader audience. Congratulations! You've just created your first ASMR video. Remember, consistency is key. Keep experimenting with different triggers and refining your technique. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tips on creating relaxing ASMR content.